Good morning, guys, from country number 9. I am super excited for today because I am in Egypt. There are the pyramids, there's the giant Egyptian museum. So you guys already know what this video is going to be mostly about, so I don't even need to do any explaining. The first clip you're going to see though is going to be a time lapse that I filmed this morning of the sunrise over the pyramids. I'm at the pyramids. I'm riding a camel. But it's not easy to get in these pyramids. Yeah, they're perfect.
But there was a ceiling, but by the time fell down.
Oh, okay. I was gonna ask, like, they must have been covered at some point.
مش لاقي حاجه ناكلها وهو قال لي انا عازم. يعني هو بيعرفك لما تحط رجله ازاي. ده الحاجات دي كلها موجوده فيها ايه؟
Inside the Hanging Church in Egypt. Okay, quick voiceover for this next clip. This is where Jesus, Joseph, and Mary lived for 3 months.
الكوكب فسيلتنا طنش